The tools and materials you use to plant, grow, harvest, and store your microgreens all count as direct food contact or indirect cross-contact surfaces because they directly or indirectly contact your microgreens. These food contact surfaces may harbor harmful pathogens, which can transfer to your microgreens and make your customers sick. Stop these microorganisms from hiding out on tools and equipment by cleaning and sanitizing them. Cleaning and sanitizing are two different things, and both are important. Cleaning removes soil and plant matter. Clean your tools and storage materials by scrubbing with detergent and rinsing them off with clean water to lift and remove dirt and debris. Sanitizing treats an already clean surface to destroy harmful microorganisms and helps avoid transfer of them from the surface to the microgreens. Choose a sanitizer that is food safe and follow the instructions on the label, such as how to use it at the right concentration. If you only clean, you may get rid of visible soil, but you aren't getting rid of these pathogens and keeping them from spreading. If you skip cleaning and just use sanitizer, the remaining dirt and debris will inactivate the sanitizer and make it ineffective. So remember, first you clean and then you sanitize your equipment, tools, and surfaces before using them and reusing them. A written standard operating procedure, or SOP, can help you establish cleaning and sanitizing practices and keep you organized. Maintaining records of the cleaning and sanitizing process will also help you track and monitor the safety and quality of your product. When you clean and sanitize your equipment, you are following good agricultural practices and keeping your produce and customers safe.